And I said this in the community last week. I said, listen, I think there could be a little opportunity in here on the broadening trades, which is everyone thinks it's all about rates coming down, but I don't think that's all it is. I think there is a broadening happening potentially that is going to be at least as important as rates come down, perhaps more important. So the opportunity could come in some of these areas where the market, which can only concentrate on so many things at one time, will say, we're maybe not going to get those massive rate cuts because inflation kind of has to be a bit sticky if we're going to have this amazing infrastructure build out and all that power. There won't be enough power. So, power costs are already going up around the country. So it's going to be hard for inflation to plunge. Growth can overcome that. I don't think the market will necessarily care as long as growth is great. So where people are getting it wrong is you don't need inflation back to 2% for markets to do well, right? In my opinion. And so I think there's going to be opportunity in areas of broadening where we have forgotten about them and they trade at a better multiple than many of the big caps, right?